A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for apple. B for ball. B for boy. B for boy. B for boy. C for cat. C for cat. C for cotton. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for egg. E for egg. F for face. F for face. F for face. F for frog. F for frog. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. Hen means murgi. H for hello. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. J for jug. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion means say. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange means santra. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. Q Queen. Queen. Queen means Rani. R for rabbit. 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 Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun. 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 Sun means सूरज. T for tiger. 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 Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. 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 Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. VAN. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. WATCH. Watch means घड़ी. X means X-ray. XRAY. X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share my video. Thank you for watching.